feathers are so funny. He didn't get as much of the curly feathers. That's okay though, because you can still tell. Nice cold drink. When we got these guys, they were still had their baby yellow feathers, huh? You guys get out of my flowers. Act. No. Hey. Do not eat my nasturtiums. Go make it. No, Bob. You little twerp. I don't want them to get sick. I don't even know if they can eat them.
They've been eating them.
Oh, Lord. Oh. Oop. Come on, you can do it. You're gonna have these pools looking gross in like 20 minutes. It's fighting a losing battle to clean these pools daily. It is fighting a losing battle. So the ones in their pens, they get cleaned out every third day.
No, the ones in the pens every day.
Oh, every day? And these get cleaned out about every 3 to 4 days, twice a week. And the only reason why we're doing that is so that we don't get mosquitoes. Because they just get in there and poop. They don't care. But we'll use those to water the nasturtiums and stuff. That goose pool water works great. Where did Howard go? Bernadette. And which one is that? Is that Leonard or Sheldon?
Sheldon. That's Leonard.
Okay, there's Leonard and Bernadette. And Howard and Sheldon are over here. Where did Georgie go? Oh, they're over here by their pen. Their feathers are crazy. Her feathers are crazy. I love it. That is one beautiful goose right there. And we have Leonard in the back, rolling upside down. Come on, Sheldon. That dragonfly is still sitting up there.